Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Shopify Balance payout and banking details, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Shopify Balance section. Click on the Payouts tab to access your payout details. Here, you will see a summary of your recent payouts. To authenticate your banking details, select Bank Account under the settings. If you haven't added a bank account yet, click on Add a Bank Account. Enter your bank account information carefully. Ensure the account number and routing number are correct. Once entered, click Save to store your banking details. Next, check for any verification steps required by Shopify. You may receive a small verification deposit in your bank account. Log into your bank account to locate this deposit. Once you find the deposit amount, return to Shopify Balance. Enter the verification amount in the provided field. Click Verify to complete the authentication process. After verification, your bank account will be linked to your Shopify Balance. You can now receive payouts directly to your bank account. If there are any issues, revisit the banking section for correction. Make sure to keep your banking information updated for accurate payouts. That concludes the process of authenticating your Shopify Balance payout and banking details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.